yesterday I saw that Magnus Walker posted that he's got an open house today, and his Porsche collection is just from another level. I think at this point he's got 30, 40, maybe even 50 vintage Porsches, all from the 60s and 70s, and just built out like crazy. So the opportunity really doesn't offer itself that often to see his space. I was there a few years ago just for like 30 minutes and it was just mind-blowing. So his warehouse only being about 3-4 blocks away from my studio, I definitely want to swing by today and take a peek and take some cool photos, I hope. Now, about him, in 2012 there was a documentary called Urban Outlaw, and that one really put him on the map as this icon Porsche collector. And Porsche ever since has used him in quite a lot of events as somewhat of a international spokesperson, because again, he's just such a cool guy. And the warehouse itself, I believe he's had in the Arts District since 2000. And I moved in 2011, so he was always this character that everyone, knew about with this big Porsche collection that you don't just get the chance to see it all the time. It's quite a ride. So let's go, let's check it out and see what it's all about. Shit, look at that.
Oh.
Awesome, thank you. Wow.
And now you're gonna
walking away with a gift. Sick.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
Neck is starting to kill me with this camera, but I think I got a couple nice shots. Let's pack this away. Done for the day. 2 books, 2 rolls. Good day. All right, I'm back in the car. That was really cool. The space, awesome. The cars, the people. Got some cool shots. And I'm happy. I'm happy I went. Happy I took you along. Yeah, super excited. Please subscribe. Please comment below. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.